musique classique, c'est pour la tête un peu. Et le jazz, c'est pour le corps.
Good morning, guys. Hi again, welcome back. It's Sunday morning. It's like 7:45. Today is kind of like a Sunday reset, but also a productive Sunday reset. Like I've got a lot to do because I took a couple days off in the middle of the week. So I'm just getting some breakfast and then we'll get on with it. My pancakes burning. Yeah, they very much are. That's really great. That's just like really fun and great. Like, that's not bothered me at all. Like, those were literally not even my last three. Like, it's so fine that they're burnt. It's literally so fine. Like, don't even stress about it. It is what it is at the end of the day. Make sure to subscribe because you were distracting me. Not to push the blame on anyone. I was talking to you guys and the pancakes burnt. I mean, I don't know. Two events could be very much, mutually exclusive, but if we were to include them in the same Venn diagram, I think there could be some overlap. So I think subscribe to make it up to me. Anyway, I'm gonna make my coffee, head upstairs, eat my pancakes, and get to work. At 10 a.m. I'm gonna take a break because that's when the shop's open on a Sunday, and we'll do some Sunday resetting, wash some clothes. But yeah, let's get going.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get into it.
So there was hundreds of people. So we get there, and as you can imagine, being in that scenario.
Okay, it's 8:15. I feel like I'm ready to get to work. Let's go over the to-do list for today. Ideally, I'm finished with everything and in bed chilling by like 10 p.m, which means starting to wind down from 9 p.m. I do a full weekend to-do list and then break it down day by day. So yesterday, I was editing a YouTube video to go out today. That took me up until like 2 p.m, and then I edited some reels, and then I was I was setting up like a team task management sort of website, kind of like monday.com, but I was using a free one called Asana, which I actually really highly recommend. I'll talk about it in another like startup diaries kind of thing. So basically for the podcast and production company, I just wanted a better way for us to manage the team, assign tasks, keep track of what everyone's doing without having to be on top of each other, messaging everyone every single day, because I hate micromanaging. So I think that's a better way to just like give people space, and then also you can set your out of office. Why am I pitching this? Like, it's really good. So yeah, I spent like an hour and a half doing that, like transferring all of our tasks over from Google Tasks onto Asana, transferring files and that sort of stuff, just like boring admin stuff. And then I moved on to a separate proposal for a production thing. I don't know how much I can say about this. Most of what I was doing was research to build like accurate consumer profiles based on research and backed up by data. So yeah, it's really fun for me combining my two degrees, because I did television and broadcasting, so all my like production knowledge and stuff like that is coming up there. And then I did digital marketing for my master's. So yeah, that was what I was up to yesterday. Today I have to continue with that work because I have a meeting tomorrow morning, a 2-hour meeting for us to go over all of these extra things that we've now added and been asked to put in the presentation. I need to do a posting schedule for my short form content, so all my reels, TikToks, Pinterest idea pins, static pins, photos, like literally anything short form. I just want to have a good posting schedule, and for YouTube as well. I need to do a thumbnail and title for the YouTube video that's going out tonight. I want to edit at least 2 videos, 2 short form videos, just because I don't have too much time to be editing tons today. We'll see. That's not going to be as high priority. I have to make a poster for my mum. My mum, I love her. She loves to give me tasks and is like, I need this done by like yesterday. Oh, I need to post a reel today, which is a brand collaboration. I almost forgot. And then I want to film some unboxings because I went to IKEA the other day, got a bunch of stuff in IKEA. Yeah, that's the plan. And then of course go to the supermarket at 10, wash my clothes. Oh, I also got this new book. That's for another day. We're not doing that now. But yeah, that's basically it. Let's get into it.
Fall in love with me. Fall in love with me.
Ayo, 'cause she's cooking again.
how to talk to a lady. Ask your mum. Ask your mum.
Alright, I'm back home, put a wash on. The sun is really coming through in this office. But yeah, it's like 11:30, got my little snack because I don't want to have lunch just yet. I want to get a bit of work done. I'm going to do my thumbnail and stuff for tonight's video. But yeah, I do feel a tiny bit behind on my progress today. So we'll catch up at lunchtime, but I think I'm going to try have lunch around like 1:30 so I can have like an hour and a half, 2 hours worth of like deep focus. So yeah, we'll catch up in a bit. Machine, but just made lunch. This is either going to be really good or really bad. Chickpeas, tuna, lettuce, carrots, sun-dried tomatoes with garlic and oregano. Yeah, really good. Really good. Without the sun-dried tomatoes, this would be nothing. I said sun-dried, I meant sun-soaked. Very big difference. The oil, the marinade, really good. Yeah.
On the track.
It's 10:50 p.m. I do intend to keep my promise to myself of having a bath. It's just a bit annoying because now it means I'm not gonna get to sleep until like midnight, if I'm being realistic, maybe 12:30, but it's okay. It just means I'm gonna get up tomorrow at like 7 a.m. instead of my planned 5 a.m. I have a meeting at 9 and it's a long, important one, so I can't afford to be tired for that. But I am gonna take my bath because I deserve some relaxation on a Sunday night. But yeah, that's basically my Sunday. I went downstairs, I tidied up the kitchen a tad, I unloaded some of the laundry that I was doing, and now it's time to chill.